cooking Egyptian fava beans from scratch. First, I washed the fava beans, lentil and chickpeas, very little lentil and chickpeas, and about 1 cup of fava bean in a small pot. Now adding the boiling water. Make sure the water boils because it must be boiling water. Add a lot, about 2/3 more than the beans. Keep the fire high just a little until it boils again. Don't stir or add salt or anything, just the beans in the water. When it's starting boiling, just add the cover the pot, and turn the fire very, very low. Just like that, very low fire, and let it cook for about 7 hours. Just check each 3 or 4 hours to add more water. Don't stir or add any salt. After about 3 hours, checking on the beans, the water goes down, so I'll add more boiled water. Just don't stir or add any salt. Very important for the water to be boiling. Don't add this cold water, whatever, because it will turn it into black. Cover the pot again and let it cook for another 3 or 4 hours. Checking again. It needs more water. Need to add some more water, boiling water. Not much. It has been cooked for about 6 hours now, so it's time to start stirring using a wooden spoon. You can stir it a little and mash and stir it. After starting stirring it, we cover the pot and let it continue cooking. But after mashing and stirring, we will check on it each 10 minutes, no more, because it will stick at the bottom of the pot if we let it for more than 10 minutes without stirring. After 10 minutes, checking again, and become very soft and nice. Still, I keep it on fire for about an hour, but stirring and mashing each 10 minutes to become softer, and the peels become very soft. Now finally it's very soft, completely cooked, very soft. Now I turn off the fire. Now time to serve it. We add some olive oil. Some coriander leaves, coriander powder, cumin, chili powder and salt. Add sprinkle of them. And then some lemon. And it is served with green onion, watercress, some green pepper, and start eating with bread. Tasty. Still very hot.